Today, we're gonna give our chickens a new watering system.
Yes.
Because the bucket they have leaks and overflows and always gets gross and doesn't work, right?
And whenever it's really cold or snows, it gets ice frozen.
It's true. So we're gonna try a different system here. Let's get the old one out of here. Let's do that. You wanna grab it?
Alright. And don't let the chickens out. Should we just dump this water?
Just bring it out of here. There you go.
They're
So
like,
this
"What?"
thing never works right. It always leaks.
Gets ice frozen.
And I know why it leaks. This thing leaks because this little valve in here, the little black fitting, always moves or comes off. It's supposed to seal it until you put the thing on, and then that pushes it in. So when you put the lid on, it goes like this and allows water to come out. The problem is, water always comes out, especially when it gets cold, and then it just leaks all over the place. We're gonna get rid of this one
And I'm gonna hold
and build a new one.
I'm gonna hold
Why don't you give that thing a toss? We're done with it. Just throw it. The cat wants it. It's like, where's my water? So let's get the new one. First, we need a couple things. Stay there.
Sorry, my dad had to run off. And he's back.
So, we need a bucket, and we need these. So these are little cups that we're gonna put on the bucket, and they automatically fill up with water, and it keeps it much cleaner and works really well. So let's do this. It's really cold, so we're gonna go inside.
Yeah, let's go inside to do this.
Here, you take the bucket. Watch where you're going, don't run into the pole. Don't run into the pole. Oh! Please remove your shoes. Do we have to take them off out here or inside?
I'm pretty sure it means inside.
Okay. Make sure you get a bucket. I got this from Tractor Supply. Food grade, heavy duty, BPA free. You want that for your chickens, right?
Yep.
All right, and then you put the bucket over your head, just like this. So we need a drill gun and a 3/8 drill bit. Yes, so these are DIY autofill cups from Rent-A-Coop.com.
That's a long one.
You can get these on Amazon, that's where I got them. I'll leave a link below if you want to grab these. These have gotten really amazing reviews, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, you want to grab the camera? So what I'm going to do, I'm only going to install maybe 2 or 3 of these. And you want to go about 1 inch up from the bottom. I'm just going to eye it up. Just like that. There's a nut on here, a lock nut, like this, and a rubber washer. The rubber washer needs to be on the outside. So, put this in your hole. So you just turn it. It's going to be a snug fit, but that's what you want. Just make sure it's nice and snug. And then on the inside, take your nut and just screw it on, and you're good to go. Just make sure that's nice and snug.
Is that where the water pours out?
The water will go in there and it'll weigh it down just a little bit. And this will just keep refilling for the birds. And it makes it super easy for the chickens. It makes it super easy to clean. We only have a couple chickens, so we'll just do 2 of these. That should be plenty. And then if anything ever happens to these, I have enough to replace it. One cool thing about this company, whenever they send you stuff like this, I've purchased from them before, they always send you an extra one. So it says 1 extra on us, use it, save it, or give it to a friend. So that's kind of cool. All right, let's fill this thing up and get it set up. Let's test this thing, see if it leaks.
Nope, the one.
Yeah. Working.
This is making me thirsty.
So this is good. They're not leaking. They fill it up okay.
And I wouldn't leave it on that edge.
Oh, but they're not leaking from the bucket itself. So that's good. I like the
That's good.
connecting point. All right, let's go hang this thing up. Hey, ladies.
See if they like it.
All right, I'm gonna put it right here on the corner.
dead.
I need to grab a lid for it yet, but looks like it's working good. So once they run out of water, there's a tiny little spring in there. It'll fill up. So we're all set. All right, so we got the new watering system in place. We'll see how it goes in the cold weather and just in general. I'm hoping it works a little better than the other thing that we had. If you want to try it out, check it out. They've gotten a lot of great reviews. Go to Amazon. Again, I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. Thanks.